you guys here for vacation or you?
Yeah, for vacation. Yeah, 2 weeks. Here in Sony. Yeah.
Nice, huh?
Must feel great to be here. I'm sure. Oh.
You have the sun at least, not like in Belgium, the rain all the time.
Yeah. It didn't rain that much that time. I mean, it didn't snow last year. It snowed a lot.
Exactly. Oh well, have you been to a flight deck before?
Yeah, one time. Yeah. When I was returning.
It's a shame that they don't allow to sit during the flight anymore, you know?
Yeah.
To sit passenger here, but after the
yeah, no, it's not allowed.
Yeah, it's
for safety
I think
reasons.
it's stupid.
Understand that.
It's the rules, you know?
Yeah, sure. Can I ask you some questions about the flight? Who was flying the plane?
This time it was the captain.
Captain.
And I'm gonna fly back because we're gonna go back.
Back to Belgium. Okay.
And I'm gonna fly. So the first officer always sits on the right side, and the captain always sits on the left.
Yeah. Actually, I play flight simulator at home, so I'm used to it. Yeah. How many tons of fuel did you load?
Sorry?
How many tons of fuel did you load?
We're gonna take 11 tons.
11 tons.
To go back.
Yeah.
But the aircraft can take 21 tons.
21 tons.
But we don't need so much. We need 11.
Yeah.
11 tons, so 11,000 kilograms.
Yeah.
Because we always fuel in kilograms, even though it's
liters, don't you? Yeah. In America they calculate in pounds.
In pounds.
Yeah.
Here in Europe we do kilograms.
Yeah. What was our speed on taxi? Usually, what's the speed of taxi?
Speed of the taxi on the ground?
Yeah.
It depends. In a straight line, maximum it's 30 knots.
30 knots.
It's 30 knots. That's about 45 kilometers an hour.
Yeah.
In a straight line. In a corner, it's 50 knots. And when you get here, you know where the other aircraft are, then it's 50 knots.
Yeah. So when you're busy, you have to go at 50 knots at maximum. Alright, so what was our takeoff speed?
141 knots.
Alright, and what was our landing speed?
136.